Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Shark Robot Vacuum Error 4, meaning and how to fix. Okay, so we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, what is the Shark Robot Vacuum Error 4? Error 4 on a Shark Robot Vacuum usually means there is a problem with the brush roll, like debris, buildup or motor issue. Okay, so first solution is clean the brush roll and surrounding area. Disconnect the unplug the vacuum and turn it off. Depending on your model, you might have to remove the bottom cover or side brush to reach the brush roll. And then clean brush roll. Remove hair and debris with finger or scissor. Rinse soft roller under the warm water to suborn dirt, but do not use the soap or cleaning chemical. Let it air dry for 24 hours. And cleaning housing. Wipe brushes on the side that strip of dirt with the dry. For removal brush housing, remove a screw jiggle of the side piece, clean with 91% isopropyl alcohol and Q-tip, then reassemble and check wheels. If needed, clean the wheels and their compartment, then reassembles. Okay. Second is manual turn the brush roll. If the brush roll is hard to turn by hand, something might be stuck in the turning mechanism. Turn the brush roll manually until the begin to spin easier. This can help the dislodge any debris that may be causing the error. Okay. So third step is contact the Shark custom support. If you try all the step and still not working for you, you can contact the Shark customer support for more help. Their expert can give the further guidance and pinpoint with the issue accurate and provide the customized solution for your specific solution situation. So this is the all step. Thanks guys.